Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. So this is the best gain deals this week over at the Dollar General. And specifically for these deals, we're going to be looking at trying to do them on Saturday to pair both of these coupons, the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. If you want to go earlier, it'll only be $5 of savings. So obviously Saturday the 15th is better to get $10 of savings on a $30 basket. Again, if you're going to go before that, if you live in a very heavily couponed area, or if you have some stuff to do on Saturday, it'll be an extra $5 for these matchups for your bottom line. Obviously, use the Dollar General app to scan products to make sure that the digital coupons are attaching, at least that 5 off of 30 are attaching to said products. Bring a pad of paper and pen, go old school, really pay attention. That is the critical thing over at the Dollar General. These are Michigan prices, so depending where you're living in the United States, it might be more, it might be less. Any issues you have at checkout, don't be shy to void your transactions, and not all markets will stack the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25, just to note that. This receipt coupon is still printing until the 15th, so if you wanted to add an extra $5 to your basket to balance it to $15 before tax, this guy will print that you can use on your next order to buy a product that's $5.01. And it's a little coupon, so extra savings. Lots of these matchups to save you the most amount of money are not more than $15. So I don't really have this, but if you want to add something extra in the gain line to get this guy to print, absolutely go for it. And just to show you guys, I did a deal a couple weeks back with one of my matchups, and this stuff does in fact work. If you look at the right-hand side where it says SS on top of each other, that means that the double stack is in fact working, and I'm living up here in Michigan, and yeah, it works. Okay, guys, first two deals that we're talking about include a lot of digital coupons. So it's 100% digital. So you need these two cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. First items that we're going to grab is one of these for $3.95. Anything you want on this bingo chart. I know I'm always like, grab fabric softener, but whatever you want, just one of them. And then the next two items that we're going to grab include one of the dish soap by Gain. And definitely scan that product because some of the scents aren't included with that dollar coupon and the 5 off of 30. And then one of these 51 count of the Gain flings for $13.50. The digital coupons that you need, guys, is the $3 for the flings, the dollar coupon for the detergent or what have you, just a product at $3.95, and the final one is $1 for the Gain dish care. Okay, next item that we're going to grab is two of these Febreze with Gain, the logo on it. These oils, it's a little plug. They're $5 a pop, and then we're going to need this valuable coupon, which is the 5 off of 2. Make sure you have it loaded. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, scan that detergent first for $3.95, one Gain fling at $13.50. We have to grab two of the Gain dish soaps to get our basket right to 30, so two at $2 each, that's $4. And then two of the Febreze oil with the Gain scent is 10 buckos. The total here is $31.45. As the cashier is scanning the products, you punch in your phone number and then you ask, make a little side chat and say, has it been busy today? And then the cashier will be like, yeah, it's been busy. And then everything will work perfectly if you just make small chat. Okay, $13.45. When he or she presses that final pay button, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 is coming off, along with $10 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $11.45 out of pocket. $1.90 per product. I mean, shut up. That's absolutely amazing. And if you wanted to get that little $5 coupon to print for you, you would have to grab an extra detergent for $3.95. So it would bring your basket past the $15 you would pay out of pocket, and then that $5 coupon would print out for you. So if it's okay to pay $15 out of pocket, you would just have to add an extra product at $3.95 to get the math to balance. Okay, deal number 2, 100% digital, and it's kind of an augmentation of the last deal, but it's a little bit different. We're going to need the two cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25 loaded to your store card. And let's just take a special point here to make that all digital coupons are of a one-time use, just to note that. We're going to grab two of these Febreze with Gain scent plugs at $5 a pop, so that's $10 right there. Lots of stores restocking on these too. So the digital coupon that you need is the 5 off of 2, so please make sure you have that guy loaded to your store card for this little dealio. Okay, the next item that we're going to grab is one of these Gain dish soaps for $2. I really love this dish soap as well. I think it's fantastic. And then we need this dollar coupon loaded to our store card. And then my absolute favorite, 2 of the Mr. Clean with Gain. Please make sure it says Gain on it. Multi-surface cleaners for $3. If you're living super rural, it's like $3.15 or $3.20. And we're going to need this dollar off 2 digital coupon loaded to your store card. Final item is the 51 count of the Gain Flings for $13.50. We're going to grab one of these big containers of pods, and then we need this $3 digital coupon loaded. Okay, guys, let's take a quick look at the math. Okay, so 2 of the Febreze oils with the Gain scent at $5 a pop is 10. 2 of the Mr. Clean with Gain is $3 each. That's 6. 1 Gain dish soap is 2 on the nose, and then 1 Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50. The total right here is $31.50. As the cashier is scanning all of your beautiful merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number on the keypad at checkout. And then when the final pay button is pressed, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $10 of digital manufacturer coupons that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $11.50 out of pocket. This does not include your tax, shaking out each product to $1.91 per product, which is not the worst deal. I think this is a very smart basket. Okay, final deal that we have is with paper coupons. We're going to need our 2 boosters loaded to our store card, which include the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. First item we're going to grab is 2 fabric softeners because some things are awfully predictable with me. I cannot get enough of these. I want to line my entire basement with them. So they're $3.95 each. Now, from the savings insert of May the 9th, so last weekend, we have this dollar off coupon. We'll need one of these, along with this digital coupon. So we're grabbing 2, so we have 2 manufacturers, so that's nice and legal right there. And then we have this guy for $6.95. Grab one of them. And then we have this $2 coupon from that same insert. So you're going to need the $1 and the $2. Exceptionally strict verbiage on this, so you can use one of each. And then we're also going to grab one of the Gain Fling $13.50, the 51 count. And then we have this little $3 digital. Please make sure you have that guy loaded for this deal. And then 1 Gain dish soap for 2 on the nose. And then we need this dollar coupon loaded as well. And a lot of the paper coupons from the May P&G for the Gain, such as like the BOGO free for those Febreze plugs and this dollar for the dish soap, all of them have expired, so that's why they're not in this matchup. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, 2 of the Febreze fabric softeners at $3.95 is $7.90. 1 Gain detergent at the 70-ouncer one is $6.95. 1 Gain Fling 51 count $13.50, and 1 Gain dish soap for $2. So you're going to present your dollar and then your $2 coupon from the savings insert of May the 9th right there. And then as the cashier is scanning everything, that's when you punch in your phone number. He or she presses the pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $12.35 out of pocket. It shakes it out to $2.47 per product. Okay, guys, so before I skedaddle, I thought it would be kind of interesting to just go through the ad a little bit with you guys. And if you don't like clip coupons, or you're like, I just don't care, maybe these are coupons you should clip because they are quite awesome. The first one is 3 for $10 for the Coca-Cola products, and there's this dollar off, so it'll make it 3 for $9. Whenever it's like 3 for $9.99 over at Walgreens, we're like, run, deal. So this is even better over at the Dollar General for this soda deal. And then the All Purex Snuggle, these products are 2 for $8. There's a 4 off of 2, load it. That's always a magical coupon whenever it shows up. I absolutely love it. And then $3.50 for these Playtex. I think it's like the 14 counter. There's a $2 digital coupon, dropping it down to $1.50. So if you're going to put this in a 5 off of 25 basket, this is a very good item to have, just to get your math right up to $25. Okay, Team Powerade or Team Gatorade. I am Team Powerade. 80 cents each. That is really cheap. Buy 3, get 1 for free. You have to load this digital coupon. If you have suffered from the awful virus, this one is worth its weight in gold to keep hydrated. If you get the cold or flu. I had a cold a couple weeks ago. Like, who gets a cold in May or April? But this stuff really saved my bacon. So maybe something to get for your pantry. And the final item that we have is a buy two, get one for free Fabuloso Suavitel Palmolive. I know there's 50-cent manufacturer paper coupons as well. And then buy two, get one for free on the premium True Living paper towel, that good stuff. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.